Hello, and welcome to this TaxCalc support quick fix. In this video, we'll be installing the TaxCalc application on a new computer for the first time. Let's begin. You should open an internet browser of your choice and go to www.taxcalc.com. In this case, we're using Google Chrome. We'll start by logging into our account. Next, go to the My Account menu and select My Products and Services. This page displays your current products. Click the Download button at the top of the list. Select your operating system and your download will start automatically. In Google Chrome, the download pops up automatically. Other internet browsers may differ. If you need help finding the download, simply press Ctrl+J. Once the download is complete, click on the Download menu and select Open or Run. This will install the TaxCalc program. Please run through the installer as shown and complete the necessary options when prompted. If prompted, click Yes to allow TaxCalc to make the necessary changes to your system. The installation may take a couple of minutes depending on your computer hardware. The installer will close and the TaxCalc setup wizard will automatically open. Once the software is installed, it needs to be licensed to identify which products you've purchased. You'll be prompted to read through the license agreement and enter the email address and password used to log into our website. It is recommended to use the Just Me option. Again, if prompted, click Yes to allow TaxCalc to make the necessary changes to your system. The installation is now complete. The TaxCalc program will open and your licensed tax years will be displayed in the left-hand column. From here, you can start creating your returns by opening the tax year. Thank you for joining us on this TaxCalc support quick fix.